Okay, guys, I am going over your fall midterm review. Domain and range. The domain are your possible x values. Range are your possible y values. Remember, this is a group of numbers. It is not just one number. Okay. According to this is an open circle, so I will be using, either the less than or greater than symbol. And it is increasing from this ordered pair 5, 2. So this is my x value, this is my y value. So for my domain, it is going up from x. So we will say that x is greater than 5. It can be 6, 7, 8, 9, and so on. The arrow means it continues forever. Then for the range, the y value is on the y-axis. It's the number 2. Y is greater than 2. And the numbers are going up from there. Okay, number 2. This is going in the opposite direction. They're going down, but they're still at the same coordinate pair. So 5, 2, x value, y value. My x would be less than 5 here, and my y value range would be less than 2 here. Now this one binds me by 2 endpoints. This one, the leftmost endpoint is -2, 2, and it's closed. And then the rightmost is open, and that is 3, -4, open. So whenever I look at my x values, it's -2 to 3. -2 to 3. And the -2 is closed, so I must make an inequality saying that x is less than or equal to, -2 is less than or equal to x, which is less than 3. There is no equal to sign here because this one is open. So these are all of my potential x values. I can have -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, and 3, but I cannot necessarily include 3. I just can go up to 3, so that's like 2.99. Then my y values, my lowest y value, lowest x value, my lowest y value is -4, but this is an open circle, so now I will use less than. -4 is less than y, who is less than or equal to my highest y value, which is 2. So this is how these will be done. So -2 less than or equal to x less than 3. And then -4 less than y less than or equal to 2. Okay? All right, now down here. This one's simple, easy. It goes straight into Desmos. Make your table. Use these first 2 points. When you have a scatter plot, and it asks for the correlation coefficient, when you have a scatter, not a scatter plot. Input all values in the left column on x and the y column on y. But because this is just a linear relationship, it doesn't say anything about correlation coefficient. It doesn't say scatter plot. It doesn't show me a scatter plot. I can just use any 2 points to go right into Desmos and get my y equals mx plus b. Remember that slope is the same thing as a rate of change. We should not be asking, Ms. Starling, what does rate of change mean? They're interchangeable, okay? All right, this one, we need to make a table. We need to find 2 points. Here's one friendly point, and here's another friendly point. Make a table, x, y. This is 0, -4, and this is -6, 5. Then you're going to go to Desmos. Write your y equals mx plus b. Your m is your slope, your y-intercept is your b, and then this is the equation that should go here. It says the total cost for Y tickets, or Y for X tickets to a concert includes a flat fee for processing. and a cost per ticket. One customer purchased 4 tickets for a total cost of $160. Another customer purchased 8 tickets for a total cost of $300. So I've got tickets and I've got cost, and I need to make a table, find the slope, the y-intercept, and the equation.